Transforming your backyard into a functional extension of your home is easier than you think. A custom paver patio is the perfect solution for expanding your usable living area. A well-designed patio creates a natural flow from your indoor living room to the outdoors. It provides a solid, level foundation for dining, entertaining, and relaxing under the open sky. Unlike traditional poured concrete, which is prone to ugly cracking over time, individual pavers are incredibly strong. They can easily support heavy loads like outdoor kitchens and large hot tubs. The true strength of a paver system lies in its joints. The sand-filled spaces between each stone allow the entire patio to flex and move naturally with the freezing and thawing of the ground. Pavers offer complete creative control. With hundreds of colors, textures, and geometric shapes available, you can design a unique pattern that perfectly matches your home's architectural style. If a poured concrete slab stains or cracks, you have to replace the entire section. If a paver gets damaged, you simply lift that single stone out and replace it in minutes. Hardscaping projects are remarkably efficient. Unlike poured concrete that requires days to cure properly, a custom paver patio is completely ready to use the moment the installation is finished. Pavers allow you to construct distinct functional zones. You can use contrasting border colors to visually separate a dining space from a cozy fire pit lounge area without building any walls. Upgrading to permeable pavers offers excellent environmental benefits. They allow rainwater to filter naturally through the joints into the ground below, completely eliminating standing puddles and drainage issues. Expanding your footprint with professional hardscaping is a smart financial move. It drastically increases your curb appeal and offers one of the highest returns on investment when it is time to sell. Maximize your property's potential with a stunning, custom outdoor living space. For professional design and expert paver installation, visit bvcontractors.com or call us at 479-903-1630.